Today we are going to make some food. So, Yana Didi, what are we going to make today?
Today we are going to make Chembu Vada. Mommy, what is it in English?
Colocasia.
Yes, Colocasia Leaf Fritters.
Malayalam will say Chembu.
We have, yeah.
Tamil will say Chepangkizhaangu.
What about Kannada? Yeah.
This is the tender leaf you have to take, not the old. This is actually this is a little old leaf, but tender ones that what comes in this one. No, that is 2-3 leaf only in one plant you will get. This is Colocasia leaf. So first the tender leaf you have to take, and first get it, wash it, and then this has so many veins. So we have to remove all this. I have already removed. Then now I am using only 2 because we can use 4 or 5 leaves. But just to show, I am doing. See, first you take it. This back side you take. Then clean all this. They all remove all the veins, and then apply. And then I have made a paste with this is Jeera, ginger, garlic, chili, green chili, then red chili powder, tamarind, because sometimes it will leach. So we have to apply this tamarind also, then it will not leach. Then salt, turmeric powder. Main ingredient, Moong Dal. We have to soak it and then grind along with these things. Make a very nice paste. This is the paste I have made. Kept it. Then apply on this.
Can I do it? How much should I put?
Everywhere. Otherwise it will be. See. Two types of Colocasia. One is bigger size, one is smaller one. Smaller one will itch small, but in Kerala and all this is not itch. But we planted here same seed, but this is itching. I don't know why, because of the lightning. Then this leaf also is cleaned and remove the veins. Keep it over this.
And then
And
fold it?
again apply this.
How long do you have to soak the Moong Dal? How long?
How long means 2-3 hours you can. We have to grind it in the mixie, no? It should become thin paste. Be 1 hour also you can use, but I used to soak if I am making in the afternoon, no? For lunch means I will soak it in the morning. Then you can use 3, 4, 5 leaves over this. Now just I am keeping only 2. You can use more because so then fold it like this. 6 layers will be better. I have made like this one. This is 4 layers I made and kept already. Then roll it. Then keep it and then steam it, because this has to be cooked on this one steam like idli that you can keep it and then cook. Okay, like that I have made. I have cut it in the process like this, just like this and like that. This is the boiled piece, and I will keep it here. Then I will show you this one because it this. Then slice this. Then this after this one I have made a paste with this channa powder. Channa powder in this one I have added little salt, then turmeric, chili powder, then a little asafoetida also powder also I put. Then dip like this. And then shallow fry. Okay. This is what I have made, shallow fry of this one. No? This is shallow fry. In one pan only I have cooked all this together.
Can I eat one? Mommy, so we need turmeric, chili powder, garlic, tamarind, salt, chili, jeera, ginger.
Only one piece is one small piece.
And then we have to soak Moong Dal overnight.
No, 1
2 to 3 hours. And then you grind it.
Again,
And then you get a paste.
smooth paste.
And then you put it on the
Apply.
Chembu Vada.
Clean that.
And remove the stem, vein,
And
and
other
apply
side.
it.
Not this, it is like this. No? You turn it upside down and
Apply it on both the sides. And then you roll it. Then you form layers. And then roll it.
3, 4, 5 leaves you can use.
And
We
then
have used this for this one, 4 leaves.
and dip it in bhaji batter. And then fry it. Shallow fry.
It's a Colocasia stem, no? With that also you can make poriyal, sabji.